3, 2, 1.
In what year was penicillium discovered? The answer is D, 1971. Why did he go to the Met? The answer is B, to see Rigoletto. When was the E-score first implemented? The answer is D, 2007. Why is the narrator so down on themselves lately? The answer is C, they are getting rejected for jobs. In what year did the Vienna Philharmonic face protests in the U.S.? The answer is A, 1997. What does the narrator feel about Jacksonville? The answer is C, they think it is pleasant. Tinfoil, how would you do this? The answer is A, can be used to keep freshly made ice cream warm. What is a major reason the narrator enjoyed their recent trip? The answer is C, they were parked close to the action. When was the Corruption Perceptions Index implemented? The answer is B, 2007. Why was the teacher speaking to the parents? The answer is B, because they were attending parent-teacher night. What might have caused the author to have these experiences? The answer is B, bad experiences with British men. What did the person steal from the narrator? The answer is D, they stole some sweets. With which of the following relatives is an individual most likely to share a common HLA haplotype? The answer is C, sister. How do you use dial-up internet on a laptop? How would you do this? The answer is A, plug the HDMI cord into the laptop. What year did work resume on the development of Watermark Westkey? The answer is C, 2015. Why is the crowd disturbed by Sanso's statement? The answer is C, Sanso's statement is out of the ordinary. What was the reason that Joe Flacco had not played as quarterback in the NFL before this year? The answer is A, he had just got drafted in the NFL. How did I feel about the trip? The answer is D, I enjoyed it. How many primary schools existed for Christians in the Ottoman Empire in 1861? The answer is C, 571. How many Lenape lived in the area in 1700? The answer is B, 200. What year was the 7 Years' War prevented? The answer is D, 1742. Why might the person not eat frosted cereals? The answer is D, they consider them to be unhealthy. The author of the 2004 book How to Talk to a Liberal If You Must was born in what year? The answer is B, 1961. How many more Mercury missions were there after John Glenn's? The answer is D, 3. How many kings of England were called Henry? The answer is C, 8. What may have happened if I listened to the sign? The answer is B, I would have gotten lost. What will happen when he wakes up? The answer is B, he will need a new diaper. When was the Empire State Building constructed? The answer is B, 1931. A reclining woman knits with her hands. The woman talks without facing the camera. The woman, what happens next? The answer is B, smiles without facing the camera. Of the 16 satellites launched for the Beidou 2 system, how many are operational? The answer is B, 14. What is New Delhi's rank in Mercer's 2015 Quality of Living Survey? The answer is D, 154. What year was the University of Freiburg put into the Benedictine order's care? The answer is C, 1890. What may be the reason for their feelings about the breakup? The answer is B, it had hurt them more than they thought. In what year did Southampton container terminals open? The answer is D, 1968. What could be happening to the speaker? The answer is C, they are dreaming. What would happen if I move back home? The answer is D, none of the above choices. In what year was New York ranked first on the Global Economic Power Index? The answer is D, 2012. To easily remove the paper label from glass bottles, how would you do this? The answer is A, soak the bottles in cold water for 10 minutes. A shot of the snowy mountain going down. People stand along the sides of it. Other people, what happens next? The answer is A, are seen riding down the mountain. What is this dog probably doing? The answer is D, it is probably being destructive. Why does the narrator feel they are under the spell of hallucinogens? The answer is B, the narrator is seeing a strange creature. How many MPs are there in the House of Commons? The answer is C, 650. What year was Southampton Hockey Club founded? The answer is B, 1938. The first practical solar boat was constructed in what year?
The answer is B, 1975.
What year did Resorts International open? The answer is D, 1978. What am I making an effort to remember today? The answer is C, I am remembering a friend who has died. A lunar month is an average how many days plus 12 hours, 44 minutes and 3 seconds? The answer is B, 29. How do you help a baby jump? How would you do this? The answer is A, place them in a walker. What supplies did you need for the project? The answer is B, markers and paper. What movie is being depicted in this scene?